students, once again we are going to discuss questions of problems on linear equations. So in 12 bit 2, we will be starting from 12 bit 2. I hope you have completed the remaining questions. So we are going to discuss 12 bit 2. In 12 bit 2, it is given to us Anuj has equal number of 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. So I will be assuming let number of 2 rupees coin be x. So 5 rupees coin will be also x. Coins will be also x. So what can you say about the total number of coins? If total number of coins is 60 and it has some 1 rupees coin also. Total number of coin is given to us is 40. So 1 rupee coin will be, I will be subtracting both these cases. 1 rupee coin is equal to 40 minus 2x. This is 1 rupee coin. So from here we are getting, if their value is 120 rupees. If their value is 120 rupees means, if I am multiplying, suppose if I am having 10 5 rupees coin, their value will be equal to 5 into 10 is 50 rupees. If I am having 2 rupees coin is 15. 2 into 15 is 30. So total value I am having 50 plus 30 is 80. So from here it is given that the combination of the number of coins and the denomination, we are getting 120 rupees. This is x number of coins, 2 rupees coin number is x. Number of coins of 2 rupees is x. Then the value of 2 rupees also is 2. So if I am multiplying, x is the number of 2 rupees coin and the value of 2 rupees coin is also 2. Number of 5 rupees coin is x. This is 5 rupee coin. And how many 5 rupees coins are there? X. So total amount of money is 5 into x or x into 5. And 1 rupee coin is whatever will be the number of coins, that will be the amount also. If I am having 31 rupees coin, so total rupees with respect to that is 30 rupees. So from here we are getting 40 minus 2x into 1 will be equal to 120. So this we are getting. So from here we are getting 2x plus 5x plus 40 minus 2x will be equal to 120. This we are getting. So from here this and this will be getting cancelled. We are getting 5x is equal to 120 minus 40, which is coming out to be x will be equal to 80 by 5, which is 60. Number of 2 rupees coin we have got is equal to 16. Number of 5 rupees coin we have got is equal to 16. And number of 1 rupee coin is 40 minus 2 into 16, which is coming out to be 8 coins. So we are having how many 1 rupee coin? 8 coins. So this is question number 12. Now we are going to discuss question number 14. In question number 14, it is given to us 2 cyclists make the same trip. Same trip means the distance will be same. We have to remember in this kind of question that one quantity will be same and distance formula is distance is equal to speed into time as into t. So from here we are getting 2 cyclists are having. So the first one takes 3.5 hours and the second with a speed of 1 km per hour. Then I can write let first cyclist speed be x. First cyclist speed is x. Then second cyclist speed will be it is given he travels with a speed 1 kilometer per hour more. So second cyclist speed will be x plus 1. How much time first cyclist is taking? You can understand that if the speed will be more, in the second case speed is more, means time will be less. First cyclist is taking 3.5 hours. As I told, same trip means same distance. So distance will be same, and distance formula is speed into time. So x into 3.5. This is the speed of a time of first cyclist, and x plus 1 into 3. So from here we are getting this is 10, 7, and this is 2. 7x will be equal to 6x plus this 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into x is 6x. 6 into 1 is 6. I have taken one step forward. So 7x minus 6x is equal to 6. So we are getting x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of first cyclist. So the second cyclist speed will be 7 kilometer. X plus 1 is 7 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of second cyclist. And now the distance if I have to find. Distance will be, I will putting in any one, x plus 1 into 3. This is distance, and distance will be getting equal to 7 into 3 is 21 kilometer. This is the distance we are getting. Now question number, we will be discussing question number 17. So in question number 17 we are going to discuss in the right angle triangle. One of the acute angle is 1/5 of the other. Right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. That is confirmed. One angle is 90 degree. One angle is, suppose this angle is x. The other angle will be 1/5. 1/5 means x by 5. Is it clear? So from here we can get let first angle be x. Second angle equal to x by 5. So from here we can get x plus x by 5 plus 90 equal to 180. So from here 6, we can take the LCM from here. This will be 5. This will be getting 5x plus x equal to 180 minus 90. So from here we will be getting 6x will be equal to 90 into 5. This 5 will be getting multiplied. This will be getting 6x is equal to 90. So x will be getting equal to 90 into 5 divided by 6. 615 here. So we are getting x value is 75 degree. So x by 5 value will be equal to 75 by 15, 5, which is coming out to be 15 degree. So one angle is 75, another is 15 degree, and the other is 90 degree. So we have completed the entire exercise. So now your duty is to complete the remaining questions. And if you are having any doubt, so you can ask us in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.